As we have seen so far, linear programming is a very versatile modeling method. It can be applied in many different industries and functional areas. And here are some more examples of successful linear programming applications that has been applied in the industry. So one application is called revenue management. Revenue management is an approach where you apply differential pricing to attract more demand. So this is applied in airlines industry first, where you give discounts for early reservation and charge at a higher rate for um, reservations that are made on demand. So this differential pricing you can model as a linear programming problem, and this is also adopted by the hotel industry, where again you make reservations ahead of time. So differential pricing for different time periods, and it can be used in entertainment industry as well for selling tickets for events and sports events and so on. Okay. Another interesting application is called data envelopment analysis, whereby you look at the inputs and outputs of different units or different entities. So, for example, suppose if you have in a big city, there are uh, schools, school districts, right? So, how much of input are put into the school district and how much of output is generated from the schools, and you have to monetize the inputs and the outputs, and then you see which, then you compare. Okay, and again, it can be set up as a linear programming problem, and you can then determine which units are operating efficiently and which ones are not operating efficiently. And this can be applied for hospitals and other branch banking. So when you have multiple units, comparing multiple units in terms of what input is put into the system or for each of them and how much output they are generating. Yeah. And there is a wide range of applications in transportation, transshipment, and assignment problems, and we will be discussing all of this in the next chapter.